Hey guys, this is Michelle Morris, Independent Scentsy Director. I wanted to do a tutorial for you about how to input orders. Inputting orders is pretty easy once you get the hang of it, but there's a lot of steps to it, and so I want to go through those with you guys. So here we are inside the launch party that we created. So if you've had a party, maybe you had a home party, maybe you've just collected orders from sending out catalogs to friends and family, maybe you've collected orders from people that have messaged you from Facebook. So we're going to put those all into here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have that first order sheet and we're going to add a new guest. Our new guest is Betty White. You do not have to have any other information other than the first and last name. But I tell you from experience, the more information that you can get from each individual person that orders from you, the better. It'll help you later on when you start generating lists and doing different mailers, things like that, to past customers. So we have Betty. We are going to leave this information blank for now. I'm not going to make up a fictitious person here. Well, all of their information. So we're going to save and return to carts. And we're going to start adding Betty's order. So when I look at the order form, it says that Betty has ordered a 6-pack of bars. And Betty has also ordered a perfect Scentsy system and a Scentsy buddy. So we're going to add all of those to her order. So we're right here in this item bar under Betty's name, and we're going to type in the product, just the name of the product, and we'll see that there's a list that pop up. So 6 Scentsy bars. Add to cart. So this takes us to this screen where we're going to select the different scents. She has selected blackberry, orange marmalade, and click add after each one. Vanilla bean, buttercream. She got 2 of those. Citrus Garden. And you're going to continue to add the bars until you reach the desired amount, which is 6. Blue Grotto. And then we're going to save. So now we can see that Betty has her 6-pack and the different bars below. So what else did I say that Betty ordered? Betty also ordered a perfect Scentsy system. So again, we're just going to type that in. Now, with the systems, you're able to order different price levels of warmers. So we're going to go with the $20 warmer. So this one's 2 mini warmers and 6 Scentsy bars. So let's see. I'm just going to choose 2 warmers. So we chose 2 mini warmers from the list. Now with the $20, it's not going to generate or populate any warmer that is not only $20, so we won't have that problem. There won't be a ton of warmers, and as long as you know the name, you can type it in and it should pop right up. For the sake of time, we're going to say that this person ordered 6 blueberry cheesecake bars. And add the multi-pack. So she has a pretty big order already. So we're going to say that we had another guest order Lenny the lamb. Do want to note up here that the balance due seems rather high for, we only have $93 so far. Shipping and handling shows that it is not free, and that's okay because it's not going to show up as free until this party reaches $200. So we're going to add our new guest. Again, best to collect as much information as you can. Hopefully on that order form you have all the information for that customer you would need. Save and return to cart. And Larry is going to order a Lenny. Lenny the Lamb. Lenny the Lamb requires a scent pack, so it's going to take us to a second screen again. And Sweet Pea and Vanilla is their scent choice. The add and the save button are going to be your best friend. Okay, so we did not get 2 Lennys, but Lenny does show up here twice, and Lenny is going to come with the Sweet Pea and Vanilla scent pack. So for the sake of time, we'll add 1 new guest, and they're going to order a diffuser. Save and return to carts. All right, this guest is going to order a diffuser. Now make sure that you know what diffuser they're wanting. Enliven. Shade only. Why is it not popping up? Hold on. So this month we have a diffuser bundle, and I think that's why it's being confused. So we will just go ahead and we will order the diffuser bundle. The diffuser bundle is going to come with, see, there it is that I was looking for. So we're going to get the Enliven diffuser, and this bundle came with 3 oils, but this is nice that it brought us to the screen to build another multi-pack. Just not ever forgetting to click add after each one here. And save multi-pack. So our order should definitely be over 200 now, so we can get ready to close this party. So one of the biggest things here we're going to look at is that our host base is 232 and that our PRV, our personal retail volume, is 232.50 as well. Sometimes these numbers are not going to be the same, and that is because if we have online orders, they aren't going to show up on our PRV because our PRV was already paid out, already credited towards our amount for the month. So it will show up here on host base. Right here we're going to see a host reward fee. This is not a fee that must be paid. This is something that will go away after we choose our half off items. If your customer or you choose to not use your half off items, there is a $5 fee. So obviously it benefits you to find something for half off no matter what. In order to use these rewards, you'll need to click. So we just clicked half price. We want to get Lenny at, do we want Lenny? No, how about we get Stargaze Warmer at half off. Add to cart. And then we want to use our host credit. And we would like to use our host credit on how about the Road Less Traveled Warmer. So I believe the Road Less Traveled Warmer is a little bit more than 23. So, oh, the road less traveled. So we've used our host credit. So it is telling us that we still owe $21.75 because $23.25 was credited towards that warmer. I want to bring your attention up into the right corner over here. This here is a perpetual party reward. Perpetual party rewards are an extra half off. It cannot count towards the purchase of a diffuser or anything over $100 using 2 half offs, but it does give you the option to gift it, to use it. I mean, certainly you don't have to use it. There's no penalty like there was for the $5 for not using your host rewards. But we can choose any one of our guests, including ourselves. So, for example, Betty White booked a party, so we're going to give Betty that additional half off. And she wanted to get herself a Stargaze warmer as well. And apply. So when we scroll down, we should see that Betty White has her half off right here, and it shows that it's the perpetual party reward. So oftentimes parties will be much, much larger than this. Just different orders throughout the month that you take will be larger than this. You're free to check out at any time, but we're going to press continue and just go to the order screen. You can use multiple payments. So I just want to make sure that that you guys know that, because if you have a bunch of order forms with a bunch of different card numbers on the bottom of them, you need to know that you're able to use different cards. So you would put the person's name, whoever was on the order, all their information, and then only the amount that they owe. So in this case, if it was Larry Bird, it'd be $24.53, and that's the number we put here. We would click Add to Payments, and this balance due number will be reduced by whatever the amount was in this box. So you continue to do that with each individual payment, and then you click Process Payments and Continue, and that's it. You'll have an order number, your order is complete, and congratulations, you have closed out your party. Thanks for watching.